Mmm.
Do I make them good? I make everything good. Do I?
Heat it up.
I'm doing good with mine. Mommy? You know what? I love cooking marshmallows.
Hey, Jess. Marshmallow face.
Right there. That's my spot. Oh, you rubbed it on Nicole's. Yes, you got more on there.
Hey, Knucklehead, what are you doing?
Rubbing it in Nicole's. And she rubbed it off. She tried to get it off right there.
No, don't do that. Here, hold it right there.
I can't see there. Jessica probably.
Hold it right there. You don't want that one? Ouch!
It's a real quick.
Ouch.
I bet.
Yeah, I'll bet it is too. Now I got marshmallow.
Whoa.
Uncle Craig's gonna catch on fire.
I love marshmallows. I love marshmallows.
Yes, come here, look at it. Watch it. Watch mine. Watch the bottom of
You can see right here from the steps. Good.
it. See it?
Here, let me move him around and get him up there
Oh,
again.
that's hot. I had a good spot right
I'm
there.
going to take a close look at the marshmallow.
Jess, a magic wand.
Turn me into a dress, please.
How about a mermaid?
Mermaid, please.
Okay, honey.
Oh, fly's getting my back, Jess. Todd.
Ooh. You can see good from up there.
Come on.
Watch it. What's comfy?
Put it in there, Father. Don't get hold it right there. Put it right in there. Right out in here, Jess. It's nice and hot. She got to peek down under to look.
She's gonna burn her head.
You gonna burn your hair, Jess?
I've never
Whoa,
seen anybody
yes,
cook marshmallows like that.
Yes.
Looks like a ship. Ship's hat. Ship's hat.
Chef's hat.
So sort of.
She's got imagination.
Ow, that's hot. The outside covering comes off and I still got some left.
Eek.
Eek.
I always say.
Yours looks like a tire.
What an imagination.
What'd you say? What an imagination.
Ooh. I think I rubbed it on my charcoal.
Last time we cooked them, you made them on fire all the time.
I do that too when I...
Go ahead.
That thing's constant.
It's gonna fall off.
Focusing. No, that thing's constantly focusing.
Yeah, it will. Sends out a
Focusing.
damn horsefly. Why are you putting it in there?
Because they're hot.
No, you're supposed to eat it.
You eat it. Here, Jess. Here. I blowed it off.
I got a crunchy part.
I blowed it off, so eat this.
Ew.
Here. Here, Mommy, you want it?
What are you laughing about?
Here.
What are you laughing about?
What is it?
Is it sticking to me or something? Fine, I'll go over here.
Go cook it.
What
Where's Shep's?
Shep.
It's sticky.
I think I left it on the
Charcoal.
circle.
Yeah, you did. It's all melted at the top. Yes, you're over here on the charcoal. I can see the charcoal moving. You just got mine on there too.
Touch. I think that's that.
Yours about done, Clay.
You want this one, Jess? This one will be good. Better than that one. Won't have charcoal on it.
I'll take it.
Mine's looking
I'll
good.
burn the rest of this off.
It's not fair.
Mine's good.
Look at the bubble, Jess. Looks like it's alive.
Real warm. Mine's real warm.
You gotta cook it some more. It's not cooked enough.
But
Hey, Jess, watch this.